Bitcoin is making a big move in the US ETF market and has caused the biggest upset since the US SEC approved spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds on January 11th. BlackRock, Fidelity, and 11 others launched spot Bitcoin ETFs the next day. The decision has resulted in the largest cryptocurrency by market cap adding another feather this week. While Bitcoin ETFs had more assets than silver ETFs and trailed only gold among commodity-focused US ETFs. According to data compiled by CoinDesk, the conversion of existing Grayscale Bitcoin Trust into an ETF immediately resulted in almost $30 billion stashed in Bitcoin ETFs. Silver ETFs have combined assets of about $11 billion, according to ETFDB.com. The only commodity that remains more popular is gold, which Bitcoin is often called a digital version of, with roughly $95 billion. Well, this was way beyond my short-term expectation, but is a fantastic validation of Bitcoin's role as a reserve product and of the demand for Bitcoin exposure in financial markets. 21 Shares co-founder Ophelia Cinder, who launched one of the ETFs in partnership with ARK Invest, wrote on X. The launch of Bitcoin ETFs earlier this month marked a historic event, not just for the cryptocurrency community, but for ETFs too. The newly launched fund saw roughly $894 million in net inflows within the first 3 days of trading, significantly higher than most fresh ETFs bring in. Silver has existed since dying stars started spewing the metal out billions of years ago. Bitcoin is just $15, but it's already a bigger deal.
The United States Securities and Exchange Commission has postponed its ruling on Fidelity's spot Ethereum exchange-traded fund until March 5th, a new court filing reveals. The Commission finds it appropriate to designate a longer period within which to take action on the proposed rule change so that it has sufficient time to consider the proposed rule change and the issues raised therein. The Thursday filing reads in part, news on the spot Ethereum ETF's delay comes just a week after the SEC approved a long-awaited spot Bitcoin ETF, a decision that many in the crypto community feel will greatly increase mainstream adoption on cryptocurrency across the United States. News on the SEC's delay comes amidst its legal fight against Coinbase, with the federal agency alleging that exchange sold unregistered securities on its platform. However, Coinbase pushed back against the SEC's allegations during Wednesday's hearing, arguing that none of the platform's tokens count as securities at all. Judge Catherine Polk-Falia, who is overseeing the case, refused to make a decision on it as of Wednesday afternoon, citing concerns of regulatory encroachment. I worry that I would be doing exactly the thing you're alleging the Commission is doing here, which is to take power that I don't have to stop activity I shouldn't be stopping, Judge Falia told a lawyer for Coinbase. Meanwhile, the SEC is facing criticism for its extensive enforcement approach in regards to cryptocurrency. It remains unclear what asset class the SEC will designate Ethereum as.
Tether, the biggest stablecoin issuer globally, has allegedly added 8,888 Bitcoin to its portfolio of Bitcoin. The most recent acquisition cost an astounding $380 million. BitInfo charts data shows that this transaction happened on December 31, 2023. Tether now has an amazing 66,465.20 Bitcoins in total holding after their most recent buy. Tether is the 11th largest Bitcoin holder with assets that, according to Dune Analytics statistics, are barely over $2.8 billion in total fiat worth. The creator of the stablecoin has publicly said that it also plans to add Bitcoins to its list of supported assets for USDT. Tether pledged in a May 2023 press release to set aside 15% of its actual investment returns for the acquisition of Bitcoin and the addition of the decentralized cryptocurrency to its reserve portfolio. Tether said that as of its Q1 2023 attestation report, the company has $1.5 billion in Bitcoin reserves, citing its prior entry into the cryptocurrency market. The USDT-Issuer justified its action by citing cautious and conservative approach to its investing decision. Well, that's all in this special segment. For more such updates, watch 3.tv or log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. Thank you.